Hello students, this is Navodaya Foundation presenting current issues for UPSC and KPSC exams. If you have any queries, please go through our website navodayafoundation.in or else you can call up the given number. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the most important topics regarding the current scenario. So that is Arogya Path portal. So in this video, we will learn what it is, why it came into force and what are the benefits of this portal. Let's move on. Arogya Path. So what is this Arogya Path? As this name itself suggests, Arogya. So that means it is health. Path, it is means a way, or else it's I can say it's a gate, or else it's a doorway. So the name itself, it suggests Arogya Path. It is nothing but a health portal. So that is what it is. It's a portal or else a website to provide real-time availability of healthcare supplies. So now, what are these healthcare supplies? Or else I can say these are medical supplies. So these medical supplies, they are non-durable. So that is, they don't have much longevity. So they are disposable. They are disposable health materials like syringes and all. So or else they are the substances or the materials which are ordered or prescribed by physicians, which is primarily or customarily used to serve a medical purpose And what are these medical supplies or else health supplies includes? They includes ostomy supplies, or else I can say surgical supplies, or else the pouches, so which are used for ostomy patients. So that is ostomy supplies. Next, they are catheters, then oxygen, diabetic diabetic supplies like that, and mainly it includes life-saving equipments. They include life-saving equipments. So these are termed as medical supplies or healthcare supplies. So this Arogya Path, it is a portal or a website to provide the real-time availability of healthcare supplies. This Arogya Path, it's a portal which is launched by CSIR and National Health Supply Chain. When I say CSIR, it is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and the next one is the National Health Supply Chain. So this National Health Supply Chain, it is nothing but a system that integrates, coordinates and it controls all sources and the processes required to promote and maintain health. So this is National Health Supply Chain. So here this National Supply Health Chain, as the name itself suggests, they provide essential materials and the resources required by healthcare professionals to do their job efficiently. So this is about National Health Supply Chain. So basically this Arogya Path, it's a portal which was launched by CSIR and National Health Supply Chain to provide real-time availability of healthcare supplies. So now, this Arogya Path, so why it came into existence? Why it came into existence means, so we all know that now COVID-19, it has become a greater issue. It's a worldwide issue, or else I can say it's a global issue. So it's it's been a national health emergency. So due to which there are disruptions in production, supply chain and delivery of essential and critical items in the healthcare sector. So hence this Arogya Path portal, it came into existence. So what is the significance of this Arogya Path portal? So basically, as we all know, here whichever industry it is, in economy or else in any country, three main people, they come into existence or they play a very important role. So first one is the suppliers, second one is the manufacturers, and the third one is the customers. Here they are interlinked with one another. If they supply the raw materials, then only the manufacturer can produce the finished goods, isn't it? They can produce the finished goods. Then only the customers can buy it and they can use it for their purposes or for their needs. So now the significance of this Arogyapath portal is it will serve the suppliers of the healthcare sectors who provide the raw materials, which in turn helps the manufacturers to provide the essential materials or to provide the essential items which are required by the health professionals, and finally it will be served to the customers. So this Arogyapath, it's an integrated platform to provide information about key healthcare goods that help customers in tackling issues. So there are so many issues which customers are, like every day they are facing. So what are these issues? So the first thing, the customers, so that is mainly we people, we depend on limited suppliers. Means if we trust one industry, so we completely rely on the same industry. We don't we don't trust any other industries further. So this is the first thing. So we customers, we have a dependence on limited suppliers. And the second thing is, it's a very time consuming process in identifying the quality products. So we people, we are not aware of the products of the quality of the products that come into the market. So whether it is high quality and or whether it's a good or bad quality. So in identifying whether the quality of product is good or not, so it consumes a lot of time. So this is also an issue which is faced by the customer. And the most important thing is, so lack of awareness about the current and the latest launches. So many people, as we all know, so India is basically an agricultural country and there are many remote areas and people live in village areas. They are unaware of many things. So even if some medicines or if something come into the market, so they are not aware of the products which are being launched into the market, so which has multiple benefits. So this Arogyapath portal, it helps in creating awareness about the current and the latest launches, be it the technologies, be it the products, be it the drugs, whatever it is. So it creates awareness about the current and latest launches in the healthcare sector. For example, so let me say, so now COVID-19 is a burning issue, isn't it? So it's a worldwide issue now, it's a global issue. So here, so now one drug, it has been in news, so that is Remdesivir, isn't it? So this drug, it is in the topmost list of COVID-19 drug, so which helps in combating the COVID-19 issue. So now, so this Arogyapath portal, it helps in creating awareness about this recent drug, that is Remdesivir, or else one more drug, that is AstraZeneca. So that is AstraZeneca. It is also a potential vaccine for COVID-19. So which are being tested. So which are being in test actually. So this portal, it helps in creating these awareness, about the new launches, or else about the new launches or the things which are being in in research. So like this, it creates awareness about the new launches. So next thing is limited access to suppliers that supply standardized products. This is also one of the major issue which is faced by our customers. So that is, so complete access is not given to the many companies. So because of which we have a limited suppliers, which helps in providing the necessary essential needs of the healthcare sectors, or else the essential kits or the essential things which are required in health sector, they are being delayed. So this is also an issue. But this Arogyapath portal, it also helps in tackling this issue. So mainly these are some of the issues, so because of which customers are facing many problems. But this Arogyapath platform, it provides information about key healthcare goods that help customers in tackling all these issues which I have told. So this is some of the significance. So next thing, so as I said, Arogyapath, it is a portal, or else I can say it's a one-stop supply chain solution for our healthcare needs, isn't it? So now, what this one-stop supply chain or else Arogyapath solution provides means, so it provides basically 8 main things. First thing is ambulatory item and supplies. So what are these ambulatory and what are these ambulatory items and supplies means? They are durable medical equipments. They are durable medical equipments. So which includes movable and disability aids. Ambulatory items and supplies, it includes movable and disability aids. When I say movable aids, it includes walkers, crutches, wheelchairs, transfer belts, transfer seats, etc. And disability aids, as you all know, bath benches and all. So which helps for disabled purpose. So next thing, primary medical supplies, which includes the essential equipments required in the primary health sectors. So next one is the diagnostic instruments and accessories, which helps in judging or else which helps in knowing the condition of the patient by examining the problems of the patient. So next one is auxiliary supplies. So what are these auxiliary supplies? These auxiliary supplies, they are nothing but extra equipments. So I can say they are extra equipments or supplementary equipments which are required in hospitals. For example, beds, like stretchers, something like that. So auxiliary supplies, they are nothing but extra equipments required in hospitals. So next one is PPE. So you might have seen the doctors who are treating the corona patients, they take so much of precautions by wearing the gowns, the goggles, the clothing and all. So these PPEs, they are nothing but personal protective. So they are nothing but personal protective equipments. So they are personal protective equipments. It includes clothing, helmets, goggles and other instruments to protect the wearer's body from injury or infections. So they helps in preventing the infections from the patients. So next thing is the medical equipments. So what are these medical equipments? So they include syringes, thermometers, so catheters, drugs, crutches, surgical sutures, nebulizers. So like this, basically they are the medical equipments. So next one is diagnostic kit. So these kits, they are nothing but the bags which are very simple, so which requires no laboratory equipments, and using them it takes as little as 5 minutes. So just 5 minutes, within the 5 minutes you can literally diagnose some of your diseases. So this clinical diagnosis of human diseases, dairy and even poultry diseases can be diagnosed including diagnostic kit. It not only comes for human beings. Using this diagnostic kit, you can literally diagnose plants or poultry diseases also. And the next one is the drugs. So obviously these are the main things, maybe it medications and all. So this portal, so it provides all these 8 needs of the healthcare sector. So within no time, so we get all the information. So that's why the name, it's a one-stop supply chain solution for our healthcare needs. So it provides all these things, that is the Arogya Path or else the Arogya portal. So what are the advantages of this Arogya Path? What are the advantages of this Arogya Path or portal, or the benefits? It means it helps suppliers and manufacturers reaching worldwide. So that is globally we recognize the main suppliers and manufacturers, which in turn it helps to grow the network globally. As the contacts increases, it helps the suppliers or the manufacturers to grow their network globally, which helps in increasing the gap of connectivity between customers and manufacturers. As I said, first one are the suppliers, so next one are the manufacturers, and the third one are the customers. So due to the less supply, there was no much connectivity between manufacturers and customers. But with the increase in the supply of raw materials, manufacturers, they produce more goods, which helps customers to buy that. So that means the gap of connectivity between the customers and the manufacturers, it gets reduced. So this portal, it helps in filling the gap of connectivity between customers and manufacturers. So as the Arogya Path portal, it helps to reach suppliers and manufacturers globally, as their network reaches globally. So it helps in the business expansion by creating multiple opportunities, and also it helps in identifying the requirements of new products. So many products it requires. For example, if you are making a new tablets or else a main medication, the active ingredient, the pharmaceutically active ingredient. So we call it as PCA, pharmaceutically active ingredient. So they are very essential. So if you don't add this into your medication, then whatever you have prepared, so it is of no use. So there are so many requirements. There are some requirements for new products. So it helps in identifying the new products, and also, as I said, it helps to create awareness about the demand for new technologies. So there are many new technologies in the healthcare industries. As I said, there is a robotic surgery nowadays which is being done. So then there is also radiation therapies for cancers and all. So there is an advancement in this now. So usually it creates awareness among the people about all these new technologies, and also it helps in reducing wastage of resources, be it in the form of things or else be it in the form of humans. So these are some of the advantages of this Arogya Path portal. So please go through this slide and make points from your prelims as well as in from your mains perspective. So I hope this video gives a clear picture of Arogya Path portal, what it is, why it's being introduced, what are the significance, and what are the main advantages of this portal. Thank you so much. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.